Hi Min, how has your sales work been lately? It's okay, but I feel I need to do something so customers remember me more. Ah, I understand. Maybe you should think about building a personal brand. Personal brand? That sounds a bit advanced, doesn't it? Not at all, it's simply how people see you and what you do. So, how do I start? First, identify what your strengths and unique values are. My strength is that I am very enthusiastic in advising customers. That's great. Then, show that consistently on social media or when meeting customers. Consistent, I get it. So what should I post? Share knowledge about products, customer success stories, or simply useful tips related to your field. That sounds reasonable. I'll try applying it and see. Exactly, sincerity and professionalism will help you build trust. Thanks a lot, Lynn. I feel like I have a direction now.